how to make some fucking pozole using the leftover turkey. If you don't have leftover turkey, just go to El Mercado, go to Cado, or go to Tienda and get your ass some pork shoulder. Or go get a goddamn rotisserie from Stuskin and shred the fuck out of it. You need to get a nice big-ass Tupperware container full of meat, though, so make sure you don't pick up a halbahoon by accident. No half-ass puzzle. Don't fuck around with the following ingredients. Without these two ingredients, you can't have pozole. You just have a gaywad stew, which can be handy and mutable from stew to goulash to couscous and back, but still, it's not pozole. These are dried guajillo peppers. Don't get fresh ones, that's my. Plus, the dried ones are specially seasoned and shit, because they know you're probably gonna make pozole. Anyway, buy a bag of this crap. This is hominy. You need to buy a large can of it, not the ridiculous gross lunch lady size can, not the sample soup size can, just a large one. Get one of these. This is a poblano pepper, and that's a serrano pepper. Get one. Don't worry if you can't find all those peppers, you can substitute. The poblanos are really good, though. They are really mild and flavorful and get all soft in there and shit. Hell yeah. And don't use effing bell peppers, though. That would be so GA. Get out your dried guajillo peppers. Cut those fuckers open over the trash can and get the seeds and veins out of those dried up haggard bitches. They looking all leathery and shit like Fritz die Bademeister. Get out, you jazz pot. Get that shit boiling. And add chicken broth. Look at the side of the hominy can and see how long it takes to cook. That way you can time it with your guajillo sludge. Throw the hominy in your big-ass pot of stock. Chop up a serrano, a poblano, and a jalapeno, and throw that shit in there. Throw an entire bulb of garlic in there. Throw Fiswadzev meat into the pot. Fistwads. Throw those peppers in a blender. Blend the shit out of them. Blend, 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 blend. Strain the solids out of that shit. You will get a nice, creamy, smooth hemorrhoid-inducing paste. Stir a bunch of that shit into your soup. It should turn the soup a dark, fiery, awesome color.